We're going to be solving this question today, and it's about the circumference of a circle. So we have some points marked down. We're going to write those out in numbers just to make it easier. And this will form a circle. It defines a circle. We know what that looks like, right? So we've got 6'2" and 6'10", and we're going to go ahead and write out the circumference formula as we're given our circumference, which is not quite in the right formula because it's k times pi. So we know this is going to be a constant times pi. So I went ahead and I marked the middle of our circle here, and we could see that our radius is just 4. And I'll draw this out to help you guys visualize it more because it can be kind of a tricky question. So we drew out our circle. You can clearly see the radius is 4, and that center point is at 6, 6. Now all there's left to do is just plug this into our circumference equation. So 2 pi times 4, we're going to be left with 8 pi, and let's put this in the format of k pi. So our k is just going to be equal to 8.